The River Trent in flood at Gunthorpe, Nottingham. And this is, or was, the pub car park. What's the name of the pub? The Unicorn. And further up the river, Stoke Bardolph is closed completely. The ferry boat in there, they can't get insurance on the place. As the Trent goes in, the tables and chairs are floating. And the rain is relentless every day. The Atlantic has been very active the past few weeks. Managed to park my car, the big grey one over there. As I say, there's a river in the background. Of course, the Trent comes down from the Peak District, past Stoke, Burton-on-Trent, then goes on down to Newark, and the flooding is quite bad. And when's it going to stop raining? Of course the birds love it, don't they? And the way it's still raining, I've only spotted at the moment, but it's been raining all night and no sign of an end. So I think the pub's okay because it's on high ground, or high-ish. Nice looking pub. So that's it from Gunthorpe. You can see how fast the Trent is flowing. But, as I've told people, it is January, so we must expect it.